即马大选咧要到，最近中国各种介入人选举的事情是愈来愈多。外交部长吴钊燮是搁再强调，中国利用军事、假消息、非法金流等手段，就要分化台湾社会，影响咱的选举结果。咱官方甲民间会拍拼来合作，绝对袂互中国顺风轻易。
为中国官方媒体影片看到，甘肃九泉卫星发射中心执行火箭在卫星升空画面，咱国防部马上指出，这火箭飞行的路线朝印度洋方向，而且关渡伫大气层外，对台湾无危害，显示随时拢注意中方的动态。即马自2024年大选就要到啊，外交部长吴钊燮佫一摆指出，中国继续利用军事经济这手段介入选举。
It is using military threat, economic coercion, disinformation campaigns, and illegal financial flows to try and shape the outcome of our election. We should not let authoritarian China get its way and then get away with it, whether in Taiwan or anywhere else.
参加台湾民主实验室举办的中国影响力网络年会，吴钊燮强调，台湾逐工面对中国的假信息干扰，官方甲民间组织的努力反制。来台参加各国专家是对谈如何面对中国威胁。日本政总局员兼夏志英理是分享，日本人认为台海安全甲国安切身相关，也安尼调悬国防预算。
The Taiwan crisis is seen as a crisis for Japan. We should use Japan's capability against Chinese forces on the way to invade Taiwan. The discussion has started.
And considering that if something very serious happens to Taiwan, it will be Philippines next. The Philippines has changed its policy towards China the past few years.
대만 해협에서의 전쟁이라든가 이런 것에 대해서는 반대하는 입장이고요. 동북아의 평화를 위해서 또 안정을 위해서 역할을 해야 된다고 생각하고.
菲律宾总议员讲，菲国政府也调整对中国政策，希望降低冲突风险。另外，为南韩成为脱北者的议员，李胜浩表示，台韩拢是民主国家，彼此经贸来往密切，高度关心区域的和平稳定。记者综合报道。